you guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I know you have other options to go watch other people, but you decided to come back to here. Why? I have no idea. Getting right into the video today, I am going to be making a ring light for my sister's birthday gift. I got this idea because I was watching a lot of YouTube videos. I watched Mr. Kate, I watched, I don't really know her name, but somebody else. I watched specifically a tutorial on how to make a ring light from her, and that's what I'm going to be recreating. So if I can find that video again, which I'm sure it's not going to be that hard, I will definitely link it down below in the description. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be going to the Walmart. I'm gonna be going to the Walmart. So now it is time for a montage because we are on a mission to go get all this stuff, and we're gonna get it done, and we're gonna get it done fast, and let's go.
Get your stuff. Come on. It's not a gag. Go.
Are you okay?
Stop. Yeah, go. Get your stuff.
Can I get a grande pumpkin spice latte? Yes, please. That's it. Okay. Thanks. Alright guys, I am back. I am home. We got this stuff. But before we start, I'm gonna put this bad guy on. Spooky shirt on, ready to go. Okay, so first things first, I have the pizza box behind on the coffee table, and I'm gonna have to take the top part off and cut a circle, which I really hope that the large size of the domino box that we got will be big enough. So, okay. Alright, so I have the pizza box here. Hashtag not spawn. We still have 3 pieces of pizza. I didn't finish eating this one, so it's staying in there. Pretty good pizza. So, just cutting this little piece off like that. And then we'll figure out what to do with that later. So I got this little piece off. Now, I need to get a Sharpie, and I need to cut a circle right here. Okay, I couldn't find a Sharpie, so I found a pen and a highlighter, and we'll see if the highlighter will work, and hopefully it will, because I don't want to go hunting for a Sharpie. I'm going to... Okay, it's not the best circle, but it'll do. I'm just gonna cut this, and we can have a little chat, you know? Let's chat. So, the reason why I'm making this for my sister, Gracie. If you watched my Morphe vlog, Gracie, along with two of my other sisters, Bailey and Daisy, went with me to Morphe. And that is something that Gracie and Daisy really love to do. They love makeup. So now I'm cutting the inside. I'm trying to figure out how to do this, because this is cardboard and it's tougher than I thought. So I'm just gonna stab it. We are getting somewhere. Slowly. Okay. So I finished cutting it. Wait. Is that over here? Yeah. Not the best circle, but I feel like it'll be okay. Maybe. Hopefully. Got the tinfoil. I'm gonna put the knife up here. And the scissors as well, because danger. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna take this and wrap it around. I don't think I have a big enough piece. I'm gonna fold it this way. And halfway there. She's really amazing at makeup. So is Daisy, our youngest sister. And it would mean a lot to me, guys, if you guys would go check out their channel. I will for sure put it down in the bio. The last piece. One more piece. Okay, this is coming together, guys. Look at that. That kind of looks like a ring light. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of impressed with myself. So I think the next part we do is just put this on there with zip ties. Which, now that I'm looking at it, I'm scared. So this little part you can connect to others, but we're not gonna do that. Because why would you need any more longer? Wait, okay, why aren't you like, please? Okay, whatever. I have my zip ties here. I don't know how I'm gonna put all this onto here. I forgot something. I forgot probably the most important part. Gosh. Okay, so we're gonna do it without a wreath. And hopefully it works. We're just going to zip tie it really tight. So this is what I'm doing right now. Got the LED lights going around the edge, and then zip tying the first layer, I guess, on there, and then I'm gonna just keep doing that until I get all the way to the end side. And hopefully it'll work without the wreath, because I totally forgot it. And if it doesn't, then we'll have to redo all of this. So I'm really hoping we don't have to. So I am almost finished. I've been cutting the zip ties as I go because they keep hitting me and I don't like the way they feel. But I think I'll be okay with this much. If it's any longer, it could just go off the side, I guess. And it can just be like a cord. Because I doubt she's gonna have this like right next to her outlet. So she'll probably need an extension cord anyway. But I will say, if you guys plan on doing this, definitely make sure you don't forget the wreath, the little metal part, just because tying the zip ties on the cardboard, it's hard to make it really taut and really like tight, because since it's cardboard, it kind of crinkles like this right here. I'm gonna finish putting it all the way around and I will see you guys when I'm done. That didn't work. Okay, so I am finally done. I just put on the last zip tie and I'm gonna cut off the rest of the other zip ties. And then we are going to zip tie it to the hand towel base. And we'll see if it works. I'm really hoping it does. I'm not sure if it's going to, but let's have faith, okay? I'm just gonna add like a bazillion more zip ties, just because I would hate to like give it to her and then for it to just break. Oh my gosh, guys, okay. What? No freaking way, okay. No. Okay. I think I have it secured. Okay, it doesn't look the prettiest, but let us see if it works. No! No! Are you kidding?
What happened?
Look at this.
Dude, it works great as a light.
Look, if I change my settings, that's just bad.
Yeah, is it a settings issue?
Oh yeah, if I have myself like ghostly white, it's fine. I'm sad. I'm very sad because my ring light tutorial became a fail and that makes me really sad. I mean, if I have it to where I'm ghostly pale, it's fine. And I'm making this for Gracie, so like, we're usually the same color, but I think she might be a little bit darker than me, maybe a little bit paler. I don't really know. But guys, like, I'm just so pale already. And then as soon as I hit it right there, oh wait, oh gosh. So if you guys are looking to do this for just a regular beauty, do it. It works. I mean, I have lots of light. However, if you're looking to do this for a YouTube video, definitely get different lights because I didn't do enough research And I feel like I knew that I needed a kind of light that wouldn't show up, like the shutter speed wouldn't show up on the camera. And I thought that's what LED lights were. However, I'm realizing that it's the opposite. I needed incandescent instead of LED. So, yay! So yeah, like I was saying, I totally failed, and I'm super sad. But I don't know what the but is. Okay, everybody, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video. Thank you for staying here until the very end, even though it kind of went a little bit south. If you guys want to see more of me doing stuff and totally failing at it, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe, put on your notifications, because that's the only way that you'll be able to get notifications, especially since I'm a smaller channel. You probably won't see me in any of like your related videos unless you see me on your feed. So go ahead and share the video. Make sure you comment down below. And for this week, I actually wanted to say a special thank you to Michaela. She is one of the people that always comments on my videos, like the very first time, like the first couple minutes or like the first hours that I have my videos up. She's been doing that consistently since I started posting videos, and that means a lot to me, especially since I don't have a lot of followers, I don't have a lot of people watching. Just letting me know that somebody cares enough to watch it and to leave a comment, it really means a lot to me. So thank you so much, Michaela. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I love you, and okay.